Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with CoinX, absolutely incredible exchange we've been using for the past few weeks. We've collaborated with them for a special deal for our community, sign up and trade, no KYC required, and receive USDT airdrops in the next 2 weeks. Trade a small 100k position with leverage to get 50 USDT directly airdrops to you. This is very simple and low risk to do, and it's a great opportunity to get involved with the bull market. Make sure to get signed up below, along with all of our other great partnerships which are all offering some great rewards for our community for signing up as well, and trading including BTCC, MEXC, XRocket and more. So just taking a quick look at VeChain then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see recently, things looking pretty good to be honest, continuing to the upside and making up some nice bullish market structure in the local area, breaking through these key areas of resistance in this local area as well, and sweeping some liquidity down below that previous major swing low before reversing. Overall, moving in line with Bitcoin, you would say, just like everything else is at the minute. You can see Bitcoin here is at all-time highs pretty much, 112k the new all-time high, a little bit of a retrace on, was it Friday? And then over the weekend trickling back to the upside here. Bank holiday yesterday, so not too much movement, but you would expect some decent volatility today, I think, with people coming back into the markets. But I do think Bitcoin's probably just going to continue up here. Really, we've got a little bit of a break and a retest situation going on of this range that we were previously in here, as you can see. Obviously broke down from this, we came back inside of it, we tested the high, we've broken and retested, and you'd probably expect this to continue, in my opinion, to the upside. You can see not really any signs of slowing down on the RSI either, so no real way to tell if we're going to be slowing down on the daily. On the hourly here, you can see really just looking like strong price action to the upside. No real signs of slowing down here, and if that's the case, we will continue to see relief for VeChain, as you can see, highly correlated in terms of market direction, but not necessarily price percentage change. Bitcoin has literally recovered all of the recent downturn that it has seen, whereas as you can see, VeChain on this local swing hasn't even got back up to 50% down from where it was, a drop of 77%, and we're still 65% down just from that local swing high, let alone the all-time high. So obviously altcoins in this cycle, as I've been saying numerous times, are underperforming compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has really been stealing the show. Maybe Bitcoin and Solana, you would say. Solana is actually came up and got to a new all-time high, so you could say out of the big cryptos, Solana's outperformed ETH definitely, because ETH has not even hit its all-time high again yet. And you can see a lot of these older cryptos here in the altcoin space, utility coins, have really underperformed in this cycle so far, especially VeChain here. You can see we are still technically holding bullish market structure, but we haven't really swung anywhere near the all-time high. The closest we got here was around 8 cents, and we didn't actually even touch the 618 Fibonacci, which I always like to see flipped to start feeling really confident and bullish in the bull market. So you can see here VeChain really is just basically having a little bit of a recovery after retesting the previous major swing low, grabbing liquidity below this level and then pumping to the upside. In fairness, breaking through a few resistances here. You can see the descending wedge broken and the channel resistance also broken. Now we're back testing again into that 0.23 Fibonacci as we continue upwards. You can see we're making clear bullish market structure, higher highs and higher lows here, and provided that Bitcoin continues to the upside, or at the very least doesn't have a huge swing to the downside, I think we're probably going to continue to see some decent relief for VeChain here, doing something like this and heading up towards the swing high. At the very least, the next target at around 4 cents there at the 0.38 Fibonacci. As I said, this is all contingent on Bitcoin not dumping the market at any point, which is obviously possible. You can see the altcoin basket here looking like it's on the precipice of deciding the direction for altcoins for the foreseeable future. Very clearly got this trend line support that we did have. We did actually break down from that, back test it, we came down then to retest into previous structure. Clearly under a level of resistance here, but we did actually break that and run back up, and we've actually reclaimed that previous support. So can it hold this time and bounce us to the upside towards the all-time high that we still haven't seen for altcoins? You can see previous cycle all-time high here has not been hit this time around yet, so we do need to be seeing that hit. if we want to be seeing our altcoins continue to the upside. Bitcoin pretty much one of the only cryptos so far in this cycle that has clearly hit its all-time high and continued to a new all-time high. Bitcoin currently, what is it, 25%? The previous all-time high of, what was it, 65k? 68, 69k, and we're currently at 110k, so you could argue we've had a really nice move from the previous all-time high, 58% up, whereas a lot of other cryptos have not even touched their all-time high yet. One of the only ones that has, Solana, actually got a hard rejection at its all-time high. As you can see here, we did swing up here for one day, made a nice gain of around 13 or so % above the all-time high, and then got a massive rejection, largely in line with the Trump coin that was launched. Overall, I do think VeChain's going to do fine in this cycle and probably will still make some gains, but for now it is looking like it's struggling. Thanks a lot for joining me again for another video. Make sure to go down below and sign up for CoinX to get trading rewards and get involved with all of our other partnerships offering bonuses as well. Thanks for watching.